loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me and watching my videos. So today we are going to do a crochet video. I got the chance to collaborate with Janet Collection. I got a package from them. Is the Maverick Locs 18 inches, and that is the color for this braid, and this is how the packaging looks. It's just amazing. Yeah, from Janet Collection. And also thankful to you guys for always supporting me and sharing my content and all that, you know, guys. So I'm always grateful. Without no further ado, let's head to the video.
patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
So sadly guys, this is the end of our video, and yeah, I used was it 6 to 7 packs of this, so I'm going to put a link on the description box on their website where you can just go directly to the website and order for them to deliver. I had mine get here via Kentex, so yeah, I really didn't know what cargo or shipping whatever to use for this, because yeah, the normal address I had, they were saying they did not the address was invalid, so I had to send an address for US, then it's shipped to that specific address to US, then it's brought from US by Kentex to me. This is how I got my package, and this is not a sponsored video, it's just a by the way, because I know some of you are going to be asking me how did you get the products shipped. So they sent me this gift and I just provided them with a shipping company that I know works well here. So yes, I used 7 packs of this because I got like 8 packs of them, so I used only 7 packs for this hairstyle, and it's really amazing. I just loved how it turned out. So guys, I hope you're going to love this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below. You can let me know in the comment section what type of videos you want me to do. Yes, and also like, it's going to help this channel out. So until our next video, bye.